Hi. Kuya. Kaya nakalimutan mo yata yung pinaka-importanting bagay, yung pasahero. Good morning. We are now up early. It's 17 degrees and around 6:15 in the morning. We were up at 5 because we are catching the 18:15 bus going to Yeoyu. And I passed by my favorite rice balls and soy milk for my breakfast. The trip will be around an hour and 35 minutes, I think, to get to Yeoyu, but matutulog muna tayo. Ang plan ko kasi is to get there before dumami yung tao. Siyempre, para mauna tayo dun sa Queen's Head, and then bahala na sila. Basta natapos na natin yung agenda na. So for the first half of the day, yun ang balak natin. Baka magpasakay na si Kuya. Hindi ko sure kung magkano yung fare, but I think it's hindi yata siya yun. Hindi pa siya yun. Umalis siya. Hi. Kuya. Kaya nakalimutan mo yata yung pinaka-importanting bagay, yung pasahero. Hindi yun yung bus. Eh kasi naman dito siya sa 3. Dito kasi siya sa 3 dito siya kasi sa 3 tumambay. Eh di malamang. Ay nako. Okay. Mabilis na lang naman. Mga nakalagay doon 6:19 and the estimate I think is 6:29. So okay pa rin. On schedule pa rin. Okay. Balitaan ko.
欢迎搭乘国光客运
Okay, paalis na
1815路
tayo.
线，本车开往
I
金
think
山
may
青
problema
年
yung
国
isang
中心行经法
isang
国
bus,
文
so
理学
another
院
bus replaced it. Mabilis lang.
快
So we're now on our way to Yeoyu.
下一站
Dito over an
华
hour of a
山
drive.
文创园区。
So for now, rest lang muna tayo.
Creative
Very
Industries
comfortable naman yung
Park
bus.
在
Looking forward
法
to getting
兰
there
文仓眼皮。
before they open. Aralin ko yung map para tatakbo ako at joke. Baka madulas. Okay. I'll see you guys when I get there, okay? At mahaba-haba at ang lakaran pagbaba mo ng bus. So, we need to also factor that in. Okay?
下车。
So, ang alam ko, ito na siya. Ba't parang ako lang ang bumaba? Takot ako doon. Parang ako lang ang bumaba. So, good morning. Ayun, tama naman. Yeoyu Geopark. 600 meters. Guys, 600 meters na lalakarin natin. So, alam ko, it just goes straight. Tapos yun din tayo sasakay mamaya. I think. I hope. Okay. Lakad-lakad lang ako. And then, I'll see you when we get there. Ang ganda. Tahimik. Peaceful. Meron din nga pala silang port dito. Ayan. May pa-port sa mayor. O kaya pala maraming seafood restaurant. Ang dami ko nakikita. Seafood restaurant kanina. Ayan. Port area si Mayor. Dito. And then Yale Geopark in 500 meters. Ayan. Uy, ito yung mga panghuli nila ng crabs yun. Alam ko. Ayan. Ba natin konti. Ayan. Ayan siya. Nakatuwa naman. Bakit may puro ilaw? Malaki naman ang ilaw nila. Anyway. Malakad pa tayong konti. Wow, malaki na. Okay, so as we planned, it's 7:55. We are here. Pupunta tayo dun sa visitor center. And then, we'll buy our tickets. Pero feeling ko, in 4 minutes open na sila. But, let's get there. Kasi, okay. We got our ticket. Let's go. Tago natin yung ticket natin, no? Una na tayo sa kanila. Yes. Mas maganda na mauna tayo sa kanila. Para sure. Yeah, good morning. Kasha. So I have a feeling na tayo yung nauna. Sorry, macho pata siya. So I am really excited to go dun sa Queen's Head first. Para at least we can take our time. Unless may pinapasok sila ng 7:45. Diba? Anyway, yun na unahin natin kasi the rest, wala naman masyadong pila doon. So, it's better kung yun yung unahin natin, diba? Para we can take our time. Okay, I'll see you when I am almost there. And we are here. Queen's Head is over there. Sige, unahin na natin yun. But, ayan siya. Yan yung itsura niya. At nakikita ko na yung Queen's Head. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. Wala pang tao. We have it to ourselves. Ayun, may isa. Kasabay ko yun. Mabilis siya maglakad, so okay lang yan. Ayan. Yung mga rocks. Wow. Kaya extend natin ng konti pa. The weather is so perfect. Ayan siya. Dahil pa ng pusa dito. take our time. I'm so happy. Hi guys, guess where I am? The Queen's Head. So, the Queen and I. Ang saya. It's so beautiful. Ang liit na lang ng liig niya. Any monument. Huwag naman sana. But it's so beautiful. Ang ganda. Wala akong masabi. Bye, Queen. Stay safe. dito lang muna, and I hope you enjoyed our Yelu tour. I had a good time here. Nakakatuwa siya. The weather was perfect and it wasn't as busy as, normal. And I'm very happy with this experience. Until next time, see you guys. Be good humans. Bye.